Welcome to Trevlyn GH. I'm Trevor and I'm your host for today, and where we are right now is in Cantonments, and we are looking at the exclusive 15 development villas, which one is available for rental. Right behind me, we're going to check it out. On that note, guys, just want to let you know that we do help with people looking to rent their properties out, sell their properties, or acquire land, and we can help you with that. On that note, let's head in. Such beautiful, elegant doors. Not seen one of these for a very long time. Quite a decadent, very strong security doors. You have great storage space under the stairs, which is always good for putting your little bits and pieces together, your hoover, your cleaning and things like that. Then over here, which I love the little foyer here, you've got downstairs WC, you've got a dining table for 6 people, and such elegant and class in this itself, with some really nice little storage spaces here as well. Nice painting. This property comes as seen, so furnished, very well finished off, nice work surfaces, nice storage areas, and it does come with this lovely size screen. You've got a TV stand right here, you've got your nice L-shaped sofa, your coffee table on the side right here. But not only that, you've actually got a downstairs bedroom. So if you've got anyone that's elderly that can't take the stairs or anything like that, this bedroom is the ideal place for them. And it comes with a double bed, you have a wardrobe, and you also have an ensuite service here. So that is pretty decent. And the finishing, I must say, is immaculate. So here we are in the kitchen where all things fun happen. You've got your little island here, have your 5-burner hob, extractor hood, you have a dishwasher right here, which is always good, saves you that work, that energy. You've got your double oven, microwave, and of course your double fridge freezer, which is always good for all that shopping that you do and so forth. So really, really good. Not only that, but you've also got your washer dryer, and you've got your double sink basin with your lovely taps there as well. Let's head upstairs and check out the rest of the rooms. Now, what I like about this place is the fact that you've got a good sized stairwell, and you've also got lovely chandeliers just hanging over there, pendant. You have good landing space here, and you've also got a cozy family area here where you can chill out with the family. It's a little more intimate. You could call it a reading corner or something along those lines. You can obviously watch TV, chill, that sort of thing, which is really nice. Now, before we get out of here, let's check out the third bedroom, bedroom number 3. Now, this bedroom I really do like. It has everything you need, from a double bed to a double wardrobe space. You have an AC right there, and you also have a balcony. Now, this balcony is really nice. It gives you a view of the whole development itself. Now, these are 15 exclusive homes, and what you do have here is lovely views, so you can just chill out with your neighbors, get a cup of coffee or tea or wine in the night time and just chill. Really, really quiet, to be honest with you. Let's head back in. You have the ensuite shower room over there. Really nice ensuite shower room. So every room comes with ensuite, and it comes as is, furnished. Now, bedroom number 2 also has double bed, double wardrobe, and it also comes with its own private balcony, which is really good. But what is really good about this bedroom is the fact that you have a really good sized bathroom area in comparison, which is this really. You've got all this space to work with if needed, exercise if you wanted to, Pilates, I don't know, but you tell me. But we're going and saving the first or the best till last, and look at this space. This is the primary bedroom. You can literally run, do a little twirl, and ta-da! So what you do have is wardrobe space from there all the way through across here. You've got this little area here which you can just sit and chill. King size bed, like huge bed. You've got nice head frames. I love the features on the walls. It's been all done really nice. You've got really big windows here. Head into the bathroom, and you've got your double shower with your rainfall shower head here. A lovely relaxed bath for you to come after a hard day's work, to just come fetch a nice bath and just chill and relax. Where are we, should I say? We're in Cantonments, literally 10 to 15 minutes from all the major hubs, all the business areas, exclusively location that you've got right here. You've got all the embassies, from American embassies, Dubai, France embassies, are all within 5 to 10 minutes at most away from this location. We've come to the end of this lovely tour of this 4-bedroom plus staff quarters in Cantonments for rental. And guys, I'd like to let you know, all details that you need regarding this property is below in the description details and the link thereafter. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Now, right behind me, you can see that we've got a pool, a main pool and a kids pool right here, which is great. You're also in a perfect location for all amenities around you as well. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and stick around guys for the next run, and we'll see you on that time. Take care.